Hello everyone, my name is Juliana Roman and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is fitness for beginners. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here we talk everything health and fitness related. I want to give you all the tips of how you can run your best fitness journey. And as always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you have a topic that you want to be talked about, drop it in the comment below or send me an email. I'd be happy to do one. All right, let's get into it. Fitness for beginners. So depending on what stage you're at, depending if you worked out a long time ago, you're thinking about it, but you're just not sure, you've never been an active person, you want to, but you don't want to get hurt and you don't want to do something to hurt yourself, no matter where you're at right now, you can start fitness anytime, anywhere. That's the beauty of it. So let's get into it. The first thing when starting fitness as a beginner is to know that it's okay to be a little bit scared. I'm giving you the room right now to let you know it's okay to be scared. Understand that feeling, accept it, and then challenge yourself. Challenge yourself to do something new and get out of your box. It'll make you feel so good once you conquered that challenge. You're starting something new, you're doing something for yourself. It's a great time. Secondly, you always want to start small. I know there's a lot of social media influence out there right now that gives all this information on fitness and what to do and what movement to do, but if you are a beginner and you want to get into fitness, start at the beginning stages and work your way up. You want to do low impact workouts, little to no weights. If you're doing weights, start with 5 to 10 pounds. You can also use bands. They're very effective and affordable. You want to get comfortable with the movement that you're doing before you start adding anything harder on top. And then eventually when you get more comfortable with the movement, you can either up your weights or add weights to it. Another good way when you're starting your fitness and you want to start adding weights in is to use the ankle weights. You can put them on your wrist or on your ankles and just start moving with them as you're working out. It'll start to slowly build up your strength so that when you do add weights, it'll be a little bit easier for you and less of a shock to your body. Thirdly, don't be afraid to ask questions. We have the internet, we have Google, we have Facebook, we have Facebook groups, we have Instagram, we have stories, we have so many platforms that we can just ask our fellow friends a question for an answer. Now, if you're looking for a more detailed question, I'm always here to answer questions. Like I said before, drop a comment below and I'd be happy to answer. But don't be afraid to reach out to a fitness professional or to a friend that might know a little bit more to know if you're doing it right and if you're on the right track. Sometimes that reassurance can really help us be like, okay, yes, I'm doing it right and I'm gonna continue doing it. I feel like that's the best feeling when you try something and you're doing it so well and you're like, yes, I got this. So don't be afraid to ask questions. Like, people, we're here for a reason. Humans are humans, and I always am happy to answer any questions that people have for me. Okay, so fourthly, you want to have a plan of what you want to do with your fitness and monitor that plan. So let's say your small goal for your first month of starting into your fitness plan is, I'm gonna work out twice a week all month. So you get your calendar out, you're gonna mark the days you're gonna work out each week, and you're gonna see after that month is done, whether you check marked or X marked you didn't do that workout that day, but you're gonna see all the progress that you've done. And you're like, wow, I conquered the goal that I set for myself. I said I was gonna work out this amount of times for a month, and I did. Or, I might have missed a day and had to walk the day after or replaced it with something else, but I'm still doing it. Monitor what you are doing, look at your success and celebrate it. Celebrate it and appreciate all the hard work you're doing, because that motivation will help you push you further into your fitness journey and make it easier, because that feeling of accomplishment, that feeling of just feeling so great about yourself is what drives us as human beings. We strive for that accomplishment and the next best thing. So just give it to yourself and know that you deserve it. You always want to acknowledge the small wins within your growth. Without doing this and you just set that big goal, sometimes when we don't reach it, we feel guilty. We make ourselves feel guilty for no reason. So set little tiny goals that can make us reach to that big goal eventually. We want to think hard work, dedication for long-term success and results, rather than just a little bit of work for that quick fix that isn't going to last as long as you want it to. Lastly, you may have heard of this quote before, but getting the body of your dreams is 20% in the gym and working out and 80% your diet and nutrition. So what am I saying here is that pay attention to your nutrition. I'm not saying you have to change your whole plan, But make sure that you are eating throughout the day, you are staying hydrated, and your meals have some form of a veggie, a carb, and a protein. We want to fuel our body so that we can use it for more energy and do more in our workouts, and then let it repair our body and increase our muscle strength, reduce our fat loss as best as we can. That's all it takes when you want to start. You can work out as much as you can, but if you're not eating your good food and your protein and getting in those veggies, you might not see as fast as results as you would hoped. So I hope these tips have helped you if you are a beginner in starting in your fitness journey. And I'm so happy that you've took the time to listen to me to help you with this. It is one of the best feelings when I start working with a client who's brand new into fitness and I get to change their mindset to have a good relationship with their health and fitness. It is so amazing just to see them thrive and grow and transform into this unstoppable, confident human. It is absolutely amazing. So just know that you can also accomplish any of this. Follow these tips, start slow, and work your way up to your big goal, and it is 100% doable. Again, my name is Juliana Roman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time.